Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to import an architectural plan of a building to ETABS so that we can use it to draw the structural members of a building in ETABS. Here, I have taken a plan of a 3-storied building. The green polyline represents the slab area. I have divided the slab area into three: the living area portion, the portion in the balcony, and the staircase region. I have done this so that we can assign three different loads in ETABS because the live load in living area portion is different from the live load we have to assign in the balcony and the staircase portion. This is as per Indian Standard Code. The yellow polyline represents the beam. We have drawn the beam starting from the first end of the building to the last end of the building. And the blue polyline represents the column. Instead of drawing polyline of a beam by connecting two adjacent columns, it is better to draw the polyline of the beam by connecting all the columns in the straight line. Another important thing is the unit in which we draw. We have drawn this plan in millimeter unit. Now let's save this file in DXF format. DXF format. Now let's close this file. Please make sure that you close the file currently which you are using because we have to reopen it in ETABS. First, choose File, New Model. Then the third option, in that you can choose the IS code required. In this case, we have used Indian IS code. So steel design code will be IS 800 and the concrete design code will be IS 456. Click OK. Then the number of stories we can set it as 3. The bottom story height we can set as 4 meter. It is because for the footing we are providing 1 meter depth into the ground. And let's choose the blank option, then click OK. Then two windows will pop up. The window 1 will represent the plan view and the window 2 will represent the 3D view. Now to import the AutoCAD file, select File, Import option, then Architectural Plan. The other options are also available, but in majority case we are using Architectural Plan. So in this video we will go ahead with Architectural Plan. Then choose the plan, then click OK. The CAD drawing unit, we are going to set it as millimeter itself because in the AutoCAD drawing we have drawn the drawing in millimeter unit itself. Then click OK. Now here it is. The architectural plan is now in ETABS. To see it in the plan view, just go down to the base. Story 1, then base. You can now check out my second tutorial to how to define different structural members in ETABS and then draw it in ETABS with the help of the architectural plan which we have just imported from the AutoCAD file. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up. Please do put your valuable comments in the comment section below. Thank you.